everybody. Just got done doing a little work on the bolens after it not running correctly. Went and changed all the fuel lines, fuel filter, and cleaned the fuel pump out, mechanical fuel pump, and yeah, so we'll show you that real quick. And also got new headlights in it, which are bright as hell. Yeah. I'm almost positive they're brighter than the ones on the wheel horse, which I think is dead. Great. But yeah. So, with the new fuel lines and the new fuel filter put on it and everything, we're going to try to start it for the first time. And hopefully not fail. But we will see.